In a flashback, Sally tries to touch Danny, but he walks through her in a plume of supernatural dust. In another flashback, Aiden is a Civil War soldier. Then he's dead, but really undead. Bishop is his maker. In a third flashback, Josh is attacked. Later, he feels weird. He runs into the woods where he wolfs out. In the present, Aiden finally gets Josh's message and speed vamps to the wolf pen just in time.
I can't believe my sweet brother went mad.
In the morning, Josh asks how Sally died. She fell down the stairs.
Right there.
Sad. Later, Josh follows Rebecca and gets roughed up.
You're a vampire.
Josh confronts Aiden, but Aiden didn't do it. He does know, however, who did, so he storms off to vampire headquarters.
You had no right to turn her.
Bishop shrugs. Aiden finds Rebecca and tries to talk her into going vegetarian. She'd rather not. He leaves. She pines. At a bar, Aiden feels the urge to drink, a human, and calls Josh for help, but Rebecca eats her anyway. She tells Aiden to turn the girl, but he won't. The girl dies, and Josh finds out that Aiden's network runs deep. Josh ditches his sister.
Just leave me alone.
Bishop asks Aiden.
Us or them?
I choose them.
The three gather on the stoop for a long tracking shot.